Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And pretty much what this is a packable, lightweight jacket that you can use outdoors, indoors, or whatever. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So basically this is what the jacket looks like, if you guys can see. Very nice and very soft material. So for me, I bought this for $16, which is really cheap if you guys think about it. I saw like on Amazon they have these for like $39, not including tax and everything yet. This was straight up $16 with tax and everything included on wish.com, which is pretty awesome. But basically, you guys can see this is what it looks like. But let me actually put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like, so that way you guys can see a better kind of view of the product itself. Alright, so if you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like. I got the medium, which is a little bit too small. So if you guys usually wear like a medium, you guys would probably want to get a larger one. So this one is totally fine. I could wear it. Everything's fine about it. It's just a little bit tight on me. So in a way, it's good and bad. Good because it'll actually keep you much warmer because it's much tighter. But bad because it's so tight that it doesn't feel as comfortable as like a looser fit kind of like jacket. One thing I definitely want to say about this jacket right off the bat is the fact that the zippers itself is actually really nice. It's a high quality zipper, not like the cheaper ones that are like the small one that breaks easy. These won't break as easy if you guys can see the little zipper right here. Same thing for the zipper right here as well. It has two pockets, but the pockets are super small, but it's big enough to fit your hand. And I tried to fit the iPhone XS Max, and it actually does fit that phone. The interior of the jacket looks something like that, if you guys can see. Definitely keeps you really warm. Like the little sleeve is really nice because it's kind of like a little bit stretchable kind of like sleeve, not like other sleeves out there that are not stretchable. So when I bought this jacket, they provided a picture of how it's packable and everything, and it says it's packable, but it didn't say anything about like a bag included or anything. So if you guys buy this from Wish, then they probably won't include the bag for you guys. And for me, honestly, I don't see myself packing this anytime soon, so it's not a big issue for me. But if you guys really want a bag to pack it in, then you would probably want to buy it somewhere else. So that's basically everything on this product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So like how I said earlier, if you guys want like a cheap, affordable, lightweight jacket that's packable, then this jacket would be really awesome, especially for the price range I'm paying for this on Wish. But if you want a jacket that provides you the little packable bag as well, then you probably want to buy it from a different company or somewhere else. This one does not come with the packable bag like I mentioned, so that's a little bit downer side, but you're saving like over $23 compared to like if you buy it from Amazon. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider. But I'll put the link for both products so you guys can actually decide for yourself what you guys want. If you guys want to buy it from Amazon, which costs a little bit more, I guess higher quality and like a better packable bag that is included. Or you guys can buy it from like Wish, where it's like it doesn't provide the bag. Quality is just as good and a lot cheaper price compared to like buying from Amazon. But other than that, that's pretty much just a little unboxing, testing, and feedback with the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have